Two friends meeting in a restaurant. This place is really beautiful and I am extremely hungry. So, tell me, what would you like to have? Well, get me one cheeseburger and one medium-sized pizza. Okay, anything else? Yes, and also, I would like to have one cheese sandwich and one donut. And one chocolate pastry for dessert. Are you sure? Yes, absolutely. I don't know, but I think your eyes are bigger than your tummy. In the conference room.
So, tell me, how many campaigns do we have on the floor now? Well, we have in total 15 campaigns, 9 of which are running smoothly. But 6 campaigns have payment issues. My goodness, I don't believe it. We are running 15 campaigns. That's too much. No wonder why the revenue is not good. It seems our eyes are bigger than our bellies.